Happy November and welcome to this month's market update. I'm going over Beaumont and Moreno Valley market data. In October of 2018, Beaumont had 69 closed sales, down from 84 in September. This is the second month in a row that closed sales have dropped, but in comparison to September of 2017 closed sales of 75 and 70 in October of 2017, it is common for this time of year. Moreno Valley had 166 closed sales, down from 177 in September. Beaumont's pending sales were down from 56 in September to 44 in October, just over a 30% decrease from September and October of 2017. Moreno Valley had 120 pending sales, down from 146 in September, a 28% decrease from September and October of 2017. The main reason this is happening is because of interest rates rising compared to this time last year. So make sure to watch our video to educate you on the cost of waiting to buy. Beaumont had 225 active listings in October, almost identical to September's 224, showing the market is steady. Moreno Valley had 477 active listings, up from 445 in September. For homebuyers, this is great news. You've got more options to help you find your dream home. Beaumont's median sales price in October 2018 was $349,500, which was up from September's average of $338,500. Moreno Valley had an average sales price of $334,000, down slightly from September's $338,000 average. Sellers with prices up and the majority of homeowners having positive equity in their home, now is a great time to list if you are considering moving. Beaumont had an average of 26 days on market in October, up from the 18-day average in September. Moreno Valley averaged 20 days on market, which was just up slightly from September's 18-day average. With an average days on market of less than a month, it is still a seller's market in both Moreno Valley and Beaumont. If you have any questions or want more details about a specific neighborhood or an area that you're looking in, please comment below or feel free to call, text, or email me. Have a great day. See you next time.